Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever you're watching from, and depends on your time zone. Guys, I just spot out this arbitrage opportunity right now using a tool. So like I've always told you guys, if you want to learn how to spot out arbitrage on your own so that you can be making money on your own without coming here on YouTube looking for arbitrage opportunities like this, you can do it to join my VIP class. All right, so guys, I just spotted this arbitrage opportunity and I want to quickly share it with you guys as well before I will now go back and start doing it. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's just go into trade. So once you click on trade, guys, so you select the pair that you want to trade. All right, so the pair that will be trading today, guys, is COS slash USDT. Now let's select COS slash USDT. Now now this is the pairs that will be trading. All right, now once you have selected your COS slash USDT, you click on it. Now guys, we'll be using the sum of 200 USDT for this arbitrage. All right, and this arbitrage is all carried out here in your Binance account. You don't have to buy and transfer from one exchange to another. This arbitrage is all carried out here on Binance. Now, how do you proceed? Okay, enter the amount in which you want to buy. Like I said, in order for you to make enormous profit, so you must use a capital that worth it. Okay, the higher your capital, the higher your profit. Now, let's say we want to buy cost worth of 200 USDT. Now, remember, guys, our capital for this arbitrage is 200 USDT. Now, our 200 USDT here, guys, will be giving us the sum of 30,959.7 cost coins. Okay. Now, all you have to do is to get this value of cost, swap it back to BTC. So let's just copy this amount of cost that we have here. So once you have copied it, now once you have placed your trade and as soon as your trade has executed, now you select the pair again. By then you must have gotten your COS token. All right, now you search for COS slash BTC. Okay, so you search for it. Now this is our COS slash BTC. Now you'll be selling your COS. You'll be selling your COS for BTC. Guys, we call this type of arbitrage triangular arbitrage. Okay, now you'll be selling back your COS for BTC. How do you do that? You enter the volume or the amount of COS in which you got to use your USDT. Then you leave your trade to be at the sell. Now you enter the amount of COS in which you got. Now remember we got 30,950, 30,000. Sorry, that the 7 there was a decimal point, I think so. Okay, now this is the amount of BTC that we'll be getting. This is the amount of BTC that we'll be getting. Okay, now you copy this amount of BTC that you'll be getting here. You copy the amount of BTC. Now you go back now and swap this your your BTC. You swap it for USDT by changing the pairs. So once you have done that, just search for BTC slash USDT. So guys, now once you have selected the pairs BTC slash USDT, now this is the reason why it's called triangular arbitrage, because we had to use USDT to buy COS and we had to swap the COS from COS to BTC. Now we are swapping back our BTC to USDT. Here now you paste the amount of BTC you got. Okay, now once you paste it here, you see that we'll be getting extra $7 with this trade. Okay, looking at it now alone, you will see that we got $7. Okay, remember our initial capital was 200 USDT, and now we made extra 7.65 USDT. And guys, this is repeatedly. Okay, and the good side of this arbitrage is that you can only carry it out on Binance. You don't need to buy and transfer to another exchange. So guys, if you find any value from this video, do well to give it a like and subscribe. And if you are interested to join my mentorship class, I will also leave the WhatsApp number in the video description. All right, but please always have at the back of your mind that mentorship is not free. All right, so for you to know how to spot out your own profitable arbitrage so that you won't be coming on YouTube every day searching for arbitrage opportunities, I will also give you a guideline on how to do that. All right, so guys, this is where I'll be having a cutting of this video. I want to jump into this trade right now. So if this video gives value to you, please always give it a like and subscribe, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, and I do love you all.